Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to uninstall programs and applications on your Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial for you guys, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. Type in Uninstall. One of the best messages should come back with Add or Remove Programs. Just left click on that. Now underneath apps and features, underneath the installing apps section, you just want to scroll down until you find the application you're looking to uninstall. Once you found it, just want to left click on it one time. Left click on uninstall right here. It'll say this app and its related info will be uninstalled. Left click on uninstall. And again, you would just follow through with the on-screen prompts. Every program might be a little bit different. It might give you different prompts when you're installing it, but it should be pretty much the same idea. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial.